Welcome to the single leg bridge with pullover, a powerful exercise for building glute, core, and upper body strength. You'll need a dumbbell or kettlebell for this move. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, arms extended straight back on the floor or bench, holding the weight overhead. Lift one leg, keeping it bent at a 90-degree angle off the floor. Press through your grounded heel to lift your hips into a bridge, engaging your glutes and core to keep your hips level. At the same time, pull the weight up and over in a smooth arc, stopping directly above your chest. Move slowly and with control, focusing on stability and muscle engagement. As you lower back down, extend your arms back to the starting position, keeping your leg angle steady and avoiding any hip shift. Remember, staying focused and maintaining a strong mind-muscle connection throughout the movement will help maximize results. Feel each muscle working with every rep. Let's make this count.